continues to spotlight Devin Booker's Arizona roots with each release of his signature sneaker, and the upcoming Nike Book 19 is no exception. Dropping on July 1st, this colorway draws from the serene, starry skies of the Sonoran Desert, reflecting Booker's connection to Phoenix evenings. Built with a rugged mix of ballistic mesh and genuine leather, the shoe blends comfort and durability. A lenticular swoosh and collar evoke the shimmer of stars, while the glow-in-the-dark outsole adds to the nighttime theme. Inside the tongue, Booker's astrological sign provides a subtle personal detail. Performance-wise, the sneaker features a top-loaded Zoom Air unit in the heel, full-length foam cushioning, a sturdy TPU midfoot plate, and a plastic sidewall for enhanced support. A herringbone-style outsole ensures multidirectional grip, ideal for Booker's sharp, footwork-driven play. Stylish and technically sound, the Book 19 captures the calm intensity of Booker's game under the desert night sky.